let me just start by saying napakaswerte ng Pilipinas na merong General Torre at this time sa Philippine National Police. Kasi alam mong meron siyang moral compass, no? It's working properly. Alam niya yung tama na gawin. Alam niya yung duty sa kanyang bansa at may balls to back it up. Minsan kasi even I know of AFP and PNP officers, alam naman nila yung tamang gawin. Pero hindi lang ginagawa kasi they didn't have the balls to back it up. So, yun. Yan yung si General Torre. And makita mo, hindi lang ito as PNP officers. You can imagine if you have a PNP chief, third senator in the person of General Torre, siguro naman
at the very least,
at the very least, at least maano niya yung was this image ng ni Bato na, di ba? At least ma-neutralize niya.